Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today. So much has changed since I took the stage 2.5 years ago. It is my great pleasure to present the all-new Galaxy Note 9.
For people who pack a ton into every moment, Note lets you do more. That's why we made the screen 6.4 inches, the largest ever on a Note. On the back of the device, we centered the fingerprint scanner below the camera so that it's easier to reach. When it comes to color, this year we went big and bold. We also added a flash of color to one of Note users' favorite features, and one that I use all the time, screen off memos. You shouldn't have to plan your day around your phone's battery life. That's why we created an all-day battery, the largest ever on a Note. You can power through your entire day with just the phone in your pocket. So Note 9 starts at a minimum of 128 gigabytes. You can also get a 512 gig version. Just like its predecessors, Note 9 also comes with expandable storage. And get this, soon with Samsung's upcoming 512 gig micro SD card, you'll be able to get as much as 1 terabyte of memory. We wanted to make sure Note users could maximize performance. We gave Note 9 a cutting-edge 10-nanometer processor. And it also supports super fast network speeds, up to a staggering 1.2 gigabits per second. So you can stream smoother and download faster. To get a truly great gaming experience on a smartphone, you need a device that packs a serious punch. But don't take it from me. Let's hear from someone who created one of the most popular games on the market today.
We're going to be launching the Fortnite beta on Android this week, and players with Samsung Galaxy devices are the first to be invited, starting right now. Also, gamers who play Fortnite on a Note 9 or Tab S4 will also get access to a special skin, Galaxy.
And when it comes to games, we know that people want to be able to see and hear every single detail. So Note 9 comes with AKG-tuned stereo speakers, the loudest ever on a Note. For serious gamers, speed is everything. When your processor heats up, your gameplay slows down. Well, Note 9 comes with our industry-leading water carbon cooling system and a smart performance adjuster algorithm. Really, that just means that everything's going to run smoothly, even in the most intense gaming session. So we started with one of the most powerful smartphone cameras in the world. And now we're building on that foundation with Note 9's brand new intelligent camera. Now, we all know when it comes to taking great pictures, some things are always going to be out of our control. Well, now, whenever Note 9's camera detects a flaw, like closed eyes or image blur, it'll automatically notify you, so you can take another shot before the moment's gone. Note 9's camera also uses scene recognition to identify different subjects like flowers, food, a variety of landscapes, and then based on the scene, it optimizes the color tones. No matter how powerful your camera is, one thing it can't do is take a picture for you. But what if you could take a better photo without all that hassle? Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get in here. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. That I took those photos without even touching the phone. I used this.
The new S Pen has some pretty cool new functions. That's because now it supports Bluetooth Low Energy to turn it into the ultimate remote control. So don't smudge the screen with my greasy pizza hands. And take your selfie game to the next level. Or flip through some slides in Microsoft PowerPoint while working the room. I've been controlling this presentation with my S Pen. Right now, we're working with a handful of partners. Soon, we'll open up the SDK to everyone. To charge the S Pen, just put it back in your phone. A full charge takes less than a minute and lasts a whole half hour. Even better, you don't have to charge it to use all the other S Pen features you already know and love. DeX is designed for the work anywhere generation. And now, it's simpler and more convenient than ever. Because the only thing you need to start DeX is this. It's a single HDMI adapter. And now, it's my pleasure to introduce another device to the Samsung ecosystem. Our all-new Samsung smartwatch.
The Galaxy Watch is here. You can choose between 2 different sizes, any number of straps, and over 60,000 watch faces. The Galaxy Watch has a high-res AMOLED display with an integrated touch function. It has military-grade durability and Corning Gorilla DX Plus glass for added strength and scratch resistance. And it's water resistant, which means it's swim ready. It works perfectly with the new Note 9, or you can use it by itself with standalone LTE connectivity. We're working with carriers around the world so you can stay connected no matter where you go. We built low-power architecture and next-generation panel-level package technology into the processor, created specifically for smartwatches. You can use the Galaxy Watch for several days on a single charge. You can even charge it at the same time as the Note 9 with our new wireless charger duo. The Galaxy Watch can monitor your heart rate and establish a personal baseline. And when it senses a big change, like presenting at Unpacked, it can offer you a breathing guide to calm you down. You can choose from 39 different exercises, and it even detects 6 of the most common exercises automatically. The watch keeps track of your sleep patterns. It can tell you how long you were asleep and how much quality rest you got. With the new My Day watch face, the watch syncs with my calendar, so I can see when I'm free or busy with just a glance.
We are continuously refining Bixby, so now on Note 9, it is more conversational, more personal, and useful. I need concerts in Brooklyn over Labor Day weekend. Oh, this live demo.
Didn't understand that.
You shouldn't. I need a concert in Brooklyn over Labor Day weekend.
I found these concerts in Brooklyn, New York during the Friday, August 31st weekend.
How about the first weekend in October?
Found these concerts in Brooklyn, New York during the Friday, October 5th weekend.
I need good restaurants in New York.
Here are some restaurants in New York, New York.
Voila! Bixby knows that I like French food, so it listed a French restaurant at the top.
Should I make the reservation?
As you can see, Bixby has already filled in the number of people in my party and the reservation time based on my previous bookings. All I have to do is tap the reserve table button.
Reservation details sent to email.
That's it. So far, you've seen what Bixby can do on Note 9. But what if everything I just showed you also brought inside your home? Well, today, for the first time, we are unveiling a brand new product that brings together Bixby, amazing sound, and elegant design. Are you ready? Listen!
Hi, Bixby. Play music.
All the sound you just heard came from these 160 Galaxy Homes. It has elegant circular form factor with 6 mid to high-range speakers that send the sound in every direction. And it has a subwoofer that provides deep, rich bass as well. We've also integrated Harman sound steer technologies, which detects your location and optimize sound based on where you are in the room. Just say, "Hi Bixby, sound steer," and the music is directed right at you. The Galaxy Home also has Bixby and the SmartThings Hub built right in. So it gives you instant access to the largest open ecosystem of smart devices. We are excited to share more details about it soon.
We are so excited to introduce our go-to music partner for our multi-device ecosystem.
We are super excited about today's announcement. It's just the start of things to come. Galaxy Note 9 will be available beginning on August 24th. There is no one like you. And there's nothing like the Note.